Hello, today I'm going to quickly walk you through how to set up your Simply Hired platform to automatically integrate into Google Sheets using our Zapier integration. So step one, log in into your Simply Hired portal and then click Settings. Click the Integrations tab. This is where the Simply Hired and Google Sheets integration lives. Now there is one prerequisite before you launch this integration, and that is that you've at least revealed one applicant on the Simply Hired platform. You will then be directed to Zapier and you will click Get Started. Now if you already have a Zapier account, please log in. If you don't have a Zapier account, go ahead and make one. This is free. You will then be asked to connect your Simply Hired account. So you'll simply log in to your Simply Hired account using the credentials. In my case, I've already connected my Simply Hired account, so I'm going to click Next. Part two is to connect your Google Sheets account with your Zapier account, and then it's going to also integrate into your Google Drive. I'm going to select my Google Drive. Next, you're going to decide which spreadsheet you would like the Simply Hired data to export into. Now, I highly recommend, to ensure that you are keeping your data as organized as possible, you go ahead and create a quick Google Sheet that has a header title. This is a requirement to have a title in cell 1A, as well as then different fields you would like to collect. So I want to collect email, first name, last name, job title, city, state, and phone number. But you'll see in the help desk article all of the different fields that you can input onto your Google Sheet. And I want all of my data to be inputted onto sheet 1 of this spreadsheet. Now I'm going to map the fields based on that spreadsheet template I just showed you. So first name, last name, email, city, state, as well as phone number. If you want different fields to go into different cells in your spreadsheet, ensure you separate them by a comma, or else all of the fields will go into one cell. So now Zapier will run a quick test to ensure that this integration is working properly. If you see that green check mark, this means that the test was complete. So now, whenever I get a new application from Simply Hired, it will be added to this spreadsheet. And then you click Turn on Zap. This will ensure that the Zap runs automatically, so as new applicants come in, they are imported onto your Google Sheet.